Wherever you want to go, your ID will be happy to guide you there. Simply use voice control and say where you want to go, or enter your destination via your infotainment system. In the navigation menu, you can start navigation based on your favorites or suggested destinations. Search will show you points of interest such as parking spaces or charging stations. Here you can also enter a destination manually. Tap the heart to make any destination a favorite. Your ID also offers convenience on longer trips. The dynamic route planner automatically takes the charge level into account. Based on your driving behavior, it works out where you should stop to charge. Navigation instructions are displayed on the infotainment screen, in your ID cockpit, and, if available, on the AR head-up display as well. You can find out more about navigation online.
Volkswagen.